Hello, today I would like to present you how to replace halogen bulb on the Reporter 250H video light. We are going to need our replacement bulb. It is a EPL 30 volt 250 watts and also glove or some sort of a cloth that is going to prevent our hand from touching the bare bulb. To replace bulb, you are not go from front, so we are not going to remove barn doors. We are also not going to remove the modifier filter. On both sides of the lamp, we've got that switch that is over there and over here. And we are going to slide it until we are going to see that arrow. That means that top part is unlocked, and we are going to repeat that process on the other side. And as you can see, now that part can be easily removed, so that element stay. And here is our burnt bulb. This is how it looks like. We want to use glove or cloth to prevent contaminating the glass by oil from our skin, because that can lead to premature fail and overheating and even exploding the glass. Here is the burnt one, so let's take a look how does it present, and we can clearly see the filament is burn, and EPL 30 volt 250 watt. It is a quite interesting shape with that ceramic thing on bottom. Here we are going to grab our replacement, and as you can see, it is extremely nicely securely packed. We've got our user manual just in case you would be interested in reading. It is a CE mark item, so it's not that old. Here is our replacement. As you can see, it looks absolutely beautiful. In case you use bad judgment and touch bulb with your bare fingers, absolutely do not worry. You can clean it out with isopropyl alcohol and some cloth, so no worries at all. And now we are going to slide it in. The polarity doesn't matter. We are going to repeat the process, and we are going to put it like this. We are going to rotate it until it goes into place, and we are going to move those switches to hide our arrow mark, and here in reverse order, and we just replace our bulb. We've got our barn doors open. We've got our 4-pin XLR. I'm going to connect it to power source, and we are going to turn our light on, and as you can see, it's working absolutely beautiful. So this is how you replace the burn EPL bulb on your Reporter 250H light. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.